Good morning, everyone. You are tuning into KMS, where you can catch the latest news and updates. I'm your host for today, Chloe from 5C.
And I'm Joy from Class 5C2.
Today, we are going to have a spectacular time exploring Halloween words and learning what they mean. Are you ready for some fun?
Let's start with pumpkin. A pumpkin is a big round fruit that is orange in color.
During Halloween, people carve pumpkins by cutting faces into them and placing a candle inside. They look spooky and fun.
The next word is costume. A costume is special clothing that people wear during Halloween to dress up as different characters.
It can be a superhero, a witch, a ghost, or anything creative you can think of.
Move on to candy. Candies are a sweet treat that we love to receive during Halloween.
It comes in different shapes, sizes, and flavors. We can get candies by going trick-or-treating in our neighborhoods.
We collect candy by saying trick or treat at people's doors and receiving yummy treats in return.
Let's say it together, boys and girls. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Great job, everyone. We hope you enjoy learning about these simple Halloween words and their meanings.
That's all for our bookcast together.
We wish you a spectacular Halloween.
Happy Halloween, everyone!